Tool tip. Now consider this is the tool holder and this is the tool tip and this is the revolving center. So you have to bring the tool holder near to the revolving center and see whether it is in line or not. So now consider, for example, this tool tip is 2-3 mm below the revolving center vertex or tip. So we have to bring the tool tip and revolving center tip in line, then only the correct machining happens. Now how to adjust the tool tip and revolving center tip? Now you have to loosen the Allen bolts and you have to raise the tip little bit. In case it is unable to raise the bit, give some sim packings and rise. You have to take the sim like this and keep under the tool holder. Keep the tool holder straight and just hand tighten the Allen bolts and move and see. So here it's little bit touching here. You have to bring little bit forward tool holder. Still this has a 2-3 mm down, then the revolving center. You have to raise the tool holder little bit by 2-3 mm. One can see here the revolving center and the tool tip is in exact line. This revolving center and tool tip. So this is the correct way of adjusting the tool tip in line with the job center. One should not see check center, because one can easily go wrong while adjusting the tool holder with the check center. Always you have to use tile stock and revolving center to adjust the tool holder in line with the job. So you can, by adjusting like this, you can avoid the failure of tool tips frequently, and overheating of tool tips you can avoid completely.